Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check out the stack methods. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we would be adding a stack variable. So I will type in stack, and this would be stack of integers maybe in order to make things convenient. The name would be like demo equals new stack. Here we go. So this looks to be good enough. And moving forward, we would be adding, or we would push couple of elements in this stack. So we will type in demo dot push, and we will add in an integer 0. Let me copy this and paste it couple of times. We will push 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and finally 5. Now, if we wish to iterate through an stack, there is a methodology of iterator which we will check in couple of minutes, in fact in couple of lectures, but in here we can make use of for each. So let me do that. So for integer temp colon demo, and we will type in sysout and we will print temp. So are we able to print this stack list? Let us check. Here we go. So we are able to print the stack successfully. In place of integer, if I type in int, then can we do that? Let me show you. Yes, definitely we can do that because int and integer class are compatible and we are able to achieve the same. So this is good. And moving forward, for example, we pop a specific element, then what would be the outcome? So when we pop a element, it would be always perform on the top of the list, and this is a LIFO list, right? Last in, first out. So we will pop the information, and as soon as we pop the information, the last information which has been pushed to the stack will be popped out. And here is the output. So this is cool, which is fantastic. Now moving forward, if we wish to check the last element which is there in the stack, then what should be the outcome? Definitely we can make use of something known as peek method. So I will type in demo.peek, and we will get the last element from our stack, which is 4, right? And in fact, the best thing about this peek method is that we can check what is the last element in the stack, but we won't be removing it, right? So if I cut the for statement from here and paste it after the peek method, then the output should be same, right? So in here, I guess I have undone some changes, which is not good. Let me call in this. Alright, so now this for each will show us the output which is similar. Firstly, we are displaying what is the top of our stack, and then we are displaying the content of our stack, which is fantastic. Alright, so this is it. Moving forward, we can also search this stack, and we can also check whether the stack is empty or not. So how we will do that? First of all, let us check whether the stack is empty or not. So we will type in demo dot is empty, and this will return false if the specific stack is not false, right? So we will type in system.out.println stack is empty, and we will add in the else part, and we will type in stack is not empty. Alright, so this is cool. Let me execute this, and this says stack is not empty because there are elements in the stack. Then moving forward, we can also search for a specific element which is there in the stack or not. So I have added this random element 100 in our demo. So in here, first of all, I will type in sysout, and we will search for 100 maybe. So I will type in demo.search, and I will pass in 100, and this should return 1, which symbolizes that yes, the element is there in the stack. And for example, if I pass in a random number which is not there in the stack, then the output should be -1. So here is the output. So these are the methods which are push, pop, peek is empty and search, which are important with reference to a stack. The usage of a stack is also limited. In fact, array list and linked list are the most widely used list in the world of programming. So I hope I have made myself clear. In the next video, we will dig deep into the very important linked list, which would be interesting. Thanks for watching. Take care.